and welcome to this week's Fletchy Friday. And a very popular topic that some of you have commented on is that of version control. So James, what can we offer in terms of version control?
Yeah, important topic. Always making sure you know what blocks are running where and what versions they're at. And we've covered TIA Portal libraries in the past. I'm sure we'll cover it a bit more in the future. But a standard feature inside of here is the ability to apply version control to your objects. And I say objects because this can be your PLC data types, your function blocks, function calls, your visualization objects as well, like screens and faceplates. All of these objects can have version control applied to them within TIA Portal as part of a standard offering. This is great because then it manages if you make changes to an object that has a version applied to it, up-revs the version numbers for you, and allows you to put comments in there to keep a track and trace of what these modifications have been.
That's great, James. OEMs, they've got a whole host of engineers on-site, off-site. How can that be applied to version control?
Yeah, I mean, what's really nice here is you can have one central software library storing all the latest versions of your blocks, faceplates, whatever it might be. And if all the engineers now use that central storage location, if they want to update their projects, be that one that's deployed to site or one they're currently working on, it's a one-click operation. They just say, yep, I want that block, I've already got it in my application, but update it. Or even just go to the library and say, find all the latest versions and update any instances I'm using inside of my project, and it just does it for you automatically.
So what's really interesting here is that the OEM that I've been seeing, they use version control by deleting their version numbers, by updating, using a date. And the reality is, we have a tool that just automates all that, providing that...
Not even a tool, a standard feature of TIA Portal. And this is the cool thing. We're not adding anything extra. It's always been there.
It's free?
Yeah, absolutely.
Wow, this is fantastic. So not only are we providing that one source of the truth, but giving you that security, but it's that speed and that deployment that is just at the touch of a button. James, anything to add?
Absolutely. I think this is great as the starting point, and people should definitely look at this. But let's not forget, we can even scale this to the next level. If people wanted to start version controlling outside of TIA Portal, then TIA Portal does have a version control interface. It allows you to link it to things like software repositories, such as GitHub, and manage your software versions out there. So you can think of I can see it now on your face. You can think of the potentials in terms of the digital workflow, in terms of how if you had a central repository in a GitHub, link it to your software requirements, and how that can then drive the development of your code and managing your projects.
So the Fletchy Fridays is all about OEMs and what value we can create with OEMs, but I'm just thinking about OEM, their customer as well, and their customers in that GitHub repository, for instance, are actually able to have that traceability, that security and peace of mind.
Yeah, plenty of options, and if you want to know more, just ask us.
And that's the key to this, and just please don't hesitate to leave a comment. And again, we're in Manchester and it's sunny, so we're going to wish you a very good bye. Take care. Bye now. Bye.